Look at how the maternity healthcare is being transformed with the digital health technology. The digital health technology in maternity care refers to the use of mobile apps, wearable devices, telemedicine, artificial intelligence, data platforms, and other digital tools to improve maternal health, monitoring, education, and clinical outcomes before, during, after pregnancy. Now, these technologies aim to increase access to care, make monitoring more continuous and personalized, and help healthcare providers make better informed decisions. Coming to the first applications is remote patient monitoring, which acts as a virtual safety net throughout the pregnancy and after. Connected maternity online monitoring can be done through Bluetooth integrated devices, feeding real-time data to their care teams. The key metrics include connected blood pressure cuffs, glucometers, and digital scales, and many other devices. The impact is a reduction in hospital visits for gestational hypertension by 53% and 27% drop in unexpected NICU admissions. The telestork programs include remote monitoring of labor by nurse at a distance 24/7 for the live fetal tracings and maternal vitals. Coming to the artificial intelligence and data analytics, how it plays a role in the maternal health. Artificial intelligence had evolved from simple automated responses to sophisticated clinical assistants that triage patient concerns via platforms like WhatsApp or SMS. AI interpretation helps using algorithms to analyze the ultrasound or other clinical data to detect conditions like gestational diabetes or preeclampsia earlier than traditional methods. Proactive nudging. AI services send timely messages based on the pregnancy stage, asking about symptoms and providing nutritional advice. It can also be used for risk detection using natural language processing. These chatbots identify red flags responses, example, mention of a blood vision or bleeding, and immediately escalate the patient to a live clinician. Our data empowers applications like Count the Kicks, allow parents to track fetal movements, turning mom's intuition into hard data that providers can use to prevent stillbirth. There are biomarkers who can be predictive. The research shows the AI-derived metrics from fetal monitoring, example cardiac topography, etc., may predict adverse outcomes, helping clinicians intervene sooner. High-tech diagnostics can be also used at home. For example, the traditional barriers to diagnostic imaging are being broken by tele-ultrasound and handheld devices. The pregnant mother can also operate the ultrasound self. There are new devices which allows women to perform basic fetal heart activity scans at home under remote guidance from caregivers. Beyond clinical care, the digital platforms now provide 24/7 access to virtual doulas and lactation consultants, significantly improving mental health support and breastfeeding success rates. Addressing the postpartum gaps. Historically, the first 6 weeks after birth, the fourth trimester, has been a period of high risk for maternal mortality. Digital follow-ups can be done remote blood pressure monitoring for 10 to 14 days postpartum to catch delayed onset preeclampsia. Mental health screening can be done using digital tools that routinely prompt new mothers for postpartum depression screening, offering immediate virtual referrals to behavioral health specialists. Now, what are the different benefits you get out of using digital technology? It gives a 24/7 access to information and reminders. It increases self-awareness of health changes, easy log of symptoms and trends, earlier detection of complications, better continuous care for high-risk pregnancies, support expectant mothers in remote or underserved areas, improved risk stratification and personalized care, faster clinical decision support, integration of larger data sets for insights, reduces informational and geographical gaps, helps women navigate services and entitlements, improve early antenatal engagements, continuous physiological monitoring, personalized feedback on activity, rest, and stress. The biosensors and point of care testing can help detect infections or monitor biomarkers in real time, enabling quicker interventions. What are the challenges and the path forward? While technology is expanding access, several hurdles remain. The digital divide, reliable broadband and smartphone access are still barriers in rural and underserved urban areas. Reimbursement for these services, insurance companies have to expand coverage to ensure long-term sustainability of this kind of applications in maternity care. The digital literacy programs are focusing on platforms, but the education on how to use it effectively is very important, which needs to be addressed. Now, to conclude, telemedicine and digital health technology are no longer just add-on to maternity care. As of now, they have become a foundational to a hybrid model that prioritizes early intervention, patient empowerment, and equity. By shifting from episodic in-person visit to continuous digital oversight, the health system is seeing a significant reduction in the preventable complications like preeclampsia and gestational diabetes. I thank you for your kind attention.